Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Avengers Assemble. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free Wi-Fi, free parking and a non-smoking rooms. Located in Davenport, Avengers Assemble provides accommodations with a private pool. The air-conditioned accommodation is 25 miles from Lakeland, and guests benefit from private parking available on site and free Wi-Fi. The vacation home comes with 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, bed linen, towels, a flat-screen TV with satellite channels, a dining area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a patio with pool views. The reception at the vacation home can provide tips on the area. Orlando is 25 miles from Avengers Assemble, while Kissimmee is 12 miles away. The nearest airport is Orlando International Airport, 22 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.